Hey, what's going on, yo? It's your boy Beowulf back at it with another video. Check this out. Remember last video you saw? There was all this snow. Look, that's a little bit that's left that was blocking the Hellcat from getting out. It's like almost 60 degrees today. It's February the 20th, and getting ready to go to work. If it wasn't so rainy out there, I'd be taking the Hellcat. Hopefully it stops raining and it dries up and I can take the Hellcat later. That's my plan. It's not raining right now, but it looks like it's going to. It's all wet. The drag radials do not work and where it's damp. But I can't believe there's no snow. But I think it's supposed to snow later in the week and get cold again. But it's just nice to get a taste of like almost 60-degree weather, similar to what this would be like in Myrtle Beach in the wintertime. Check out that. I don't know if you guys can see what there. There's like a lake. There's all the steam coming off from the top from the ice melting. So let's get this day going. I'm on my way to work. I will be taking out the Jeep SRT. It's my daily driver and I can't complain by driving such a cool car daily. So let's get it going. All right, so let's go. So some good news. I got like when somebody comes and look at your house when you're selling it, my realtor sends to the realtor who brought the people to the house like a thing where they rate, you know, like the inside, the outside, if they're gonna make an offer, where they think the price is, where they show it to somebody else, blah 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 blah. And the cool thing is that last showing we had, there have been a couple videos back when I took my dog Leo, the German Shepherd, to the driveway or the drive-through of McDonald's, and he literally wanted to eat them. So the cool thing is, they have it like, are you going to be making an offer? It'd be yes, maybe, no. They said maybe, and they said in their comments that they had to look at some other homes this week before they make a decision if they want to make an offer on my house, which is totally cool, because this is like the closest it can to have somebody making an offer. So it's going to be like, yeah, something might happen. They even said in the comments, you know, some other offer comes in to contact them. So it shows they are really, 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 really interested in the house. Check this out. I got one of those deputy sheriffs driving behind me. No horsing around going to work, I guess, until he gets off from behind me. So the cool thing is I have another showing this Friday, so it's a couple days from now, 3 days from now. I have another showing. I looked at some of these sites where my house is listed, and there's a lot more people favoring it than it was before, because this is right around the time of the season where people are start buying houses. It's gonna sell quick. I wish the house was sold. Like, I thought it had been sold in December, January. But usually this isn't the buying market for homes like in the winter time. So I would give that advice to any of my future people wanting to sell their house. Don't sell it over the winter time, no matter where you live. Maybe if you're somewhere warm, I think so. So yeah, so that's what's going on with that. Can't complain, driving the Jeep SRT to work. There, look at he's not behind us anymore. The deputy is not behind us. We're set loose. Drop it down a gear. Down a second. Yeah. It got a hammy. So, there's some ideas of what I want to be doing to the Jeep SRT, my Hellcat. I'm going to get a little into that into the future videos. The other big thing too that's going to be totally wild is out down in South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. When I move out there, it's going to be a whole different car scene than what I'm used to up here in the Midwest. So that's going to be actually pretty exciting. And I'm glad to bring you guys along with that to see this whole new adventure of like moving to a completely different state, to the East Coast of the Midwest. I've lived my whole life in the Midwest, but what me being a former professional race car driver, you know, I raced in Europe, I raced in East to West Coast. So I've been to all these top racetracks for road racing. I've been at, I've done it. So I've been blessed to see different areas where to go And I think even back then, I wanted to move down south, and knowing that the Midwest was probably not the best decision when I was with that career, and now with the career I'm in now, doing the YouTube, and then also with my business. The problem with the Midwest, or Illinois is one of the top 5, or Illinois has been, for the last 5 years, is one of the top states with people fleeing and not living here. So, and some people love Illinois, and there's some people that hate it. I'm one of the people that hate it. Weather's really goofy. You know, like one video you guys see, it's sub-zero temperatures with snow, and then now we're at like 50-something degrees, and it's raining. And I'm not complaining about the warm weather right now. It just would be nice if it wasn't rainy. It's nice all the salt's gone, so if it dried up today, definitely we could take the Hellcat out, no question. We just need some good old sunshine to come out to make this day a little bit better. I'll tell you, if it was sunny and the temperature is like the car says right now, it's like 50-something. If it was a sunny day, oh, no complaints here. I'd probably not even go, I probably wouldn't even go to work today if it was a sunny day. No way, Jose, I wouldn't be going. So I'm real excited, like I said, to bring you guys along with this whole adventure, because I've never done this move to like another state. I got my 3 dogs that are like probably don't know what's going to be going on when we take that long drive, and then it's going to be intense. And the crazy thing is, it's going to be happening soon. Somebody's ready to be possibly put an offer on the house, and I think in the next 2 weeks, easily, the house will be sold. I'd be very shocked if it wasn't. I've held my grounds to what the price I'm selling it at, and I'm not budging on my price. I can tell you that. Not one bit. It's where it's at. It's gonna stay at it. Traffic jam up ahead. Forget this.
Approaching your mark. Locate other.
There's like a roadblock back there. This person, you can get all the time across the street. It's interesting driving this thing in track mode when it's raining out.
Overspeed.
Oh yeah. It needs to be louder. I just don't think the exhaust is loud enough. What do you guys think? So the cool thing about South Carolina than, like, for example, Illinois, where I live. Illinois, you have emissions. So you gotta have all that emissions equipment in because you get emissions tests. Well, South Carolina, you don't have emissions tests.
Speed trap ahead.
So you can basically, now I don't recommend this, but I mean, you could, you know, don't have to take your cats out your car and stuff. I wish I was living somewhere that a long time ago that had cars that had all that stuff where you like, you know.
Speed trap.
I'm not saying I'm gonna do that, but, you know, I'm trying to figure out. Definitely I'm putting headers on the car. There's ones that have high flow cats. I might do that. I'm gonna do it without it. I don't want the car to be like, oh, it's so loud, like too loud. Like, I think this is loud. It's louder than it was stock. Because stock, you had to go really fast to hear the exhaust. And like Eric the Red's Durango SRT is loud stock, but not loud as this. It needs to be louder. But so, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? I was thinking like AFE headers. Yeah, I'm not sure. Right now I'm gonna go ship out some online orders, and I'm going to get something to eat because I am starving. And then I'm gonna stop home, let the dogs out. Let them out. Let the dogs out. And I'm going back to work. And then it's, you know what today is? It's like Taco Tuesday. I'm gonna go get some tacos for tonight. Now I thought I was gonna go. So, well, maybe I'm gonna go get tacos or I'm gonna go see a movie. I don't know. I'm wearing shorts right now because it's been warm enough. Well, it's 45 degrees and I'm wearing shorts. Yeah. So, I might go see a movie tonight. I might not. I'm trying to figure that out because I have an AMC's rewards card, and on Tuesdays you get half price movies. And I saw Black Panther. I want to see it again, but I don't know if that's what I want to do tonight. I want to hit the gym, get my workout on. So that's what I might do instead. Eat my tacos and then go work out, go do some running, doing some lifting. You know, I don't know. Oh, come on, yellow light. I'm gonna be out in the middle of the road. It's red, go! Yeah, me! Good old post office.
Overspeed.